All these thoughts should leave me. There are no words to describe it. In French or in English, 'cause diamonds they fade, and flowers they bloom. And I'm telling you that these feelings won't go.
I'm talking success, wish that it could suck less. Dollar out of 15 cents, but I got a buck less. Been a starving artist, like fuck it, I need some food. I'm just trying not to get screwed, cause the industry's a fuck fest.
Side panels off right here. Shameless plug, but you're gonna want to take these side panels off. All you gotta do is kind of like pull this out a little bit. See, it just kind of pulls out, and then kind of make sure that this little clip is on here. You're not gonna break it off. You're not gonna do any of that. You're fine. It's just a little difficult. Ugh. And the Velcro, I don't know, on mine, this little stupid Velcro piece won't stick on here, but whatever. Yeah, so it comes out like that. It's just like a little pull plug. Set it to the side. Same thing, you're just gonna pull this thing out just a little bit. You're gonna, there we go, see? You'll hear sounds and stuff, and just don't even worry about it. There we go. And this side, for some reason, has like this little insert, this little rubber grommet insert. All right, let's see what next. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to take this off so we can get underneath the seat, just so we can expose everything that's in here. Yeah, so you gotta take these off right now. Hex kit right here. I bought this off of Amazon. It's dope because it has all these. But I don't mind it at all. They're T-handled. They're the best thing on earth. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we need this. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out. Oh, too big, should have grabbed the other one. There we go. Yeah, so freaking easy with this T-handle, it's stupid. I used the other tiny little baby Allen wrenches. Awful. Awful, awful. There we go. So there's one. Just kind of place it on whatever kind of side panel. Trying to make it where I don't drop it, but there we go. Alrighty. Just drop that down right there. And there we go. So now we can take this seat off. And remember, your fender should still be on here. We don't want to get to that yet because it's gonna like drop and do a bunch of other stuff. So boom, seat off. Kind of a comfortable seat. Boom. So everything right here is exposed. I got fuse boxes. I've blown fuses. All the other wiring the dealership put in, low jack, that kind of stuff. But so we got all this right here. So everything's released. And next, what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to take these off right here. You need to take these off because it'll release this whole thing. Alrighty, so now that you have these screws off, you can kind of see I'm able to pull this up like so. Let's say on both sides here. And then what you're gonna want to do next, once again, pretend like your fender is still on here. What you want to do next is you're going to want to pull these out. Alright, so first things first, let's just grab like a little mini hex screw, whatever you want to call it. And all you're gonna do is like push down on it till it goes like that. See how it's like all hollow now? And then what happens with that is that then You can just kind of put your fingernail under it and boom, now it's out. And then you'll be able to move this and take this whole thing off. Now, as you can see, this whole thing right here is getting kind of flimsy to where you can kind of take it out. See? And there's just a bunch of little clips in there. All right, so what we're gonna do. And then this right here is on by a rubber grommet. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just kind of, as you can see here. See? And then the whole thing will just kind of fall out, honestly. So you're gonna, before we do this, I forgot. We must take the ones out underneath. Okay, so underneath you have one right here, and you have one down over here, and on both sides too. You got one right over there, and one up there as well. So there's that. So all you gotta do is just push these in. Just push them in. Be kind of delicate. Of course they are plastic, so just be delicate with them. All right, so boom. And beware when you take this off right now, it is going to fall and it is going to dangle. So just like this, and it's just gonna be hanging on by the blinker light. Just like this right here. And that is about it for this one side. See, now you have all of this exposed, the whole side of the bike exposed. Boom. Now you gotta do this side. Okay, so this right here, obviously I have no tail light. I went and engineered my little heart out. So I got this right here. This is the tail light. This is where the tail light plugs into. Goes all the way through here. Goes down into here, underneath the seat, all that kind of good stuff. But for right now, we got this right here, right? You unplug it. Now let's go over here. Boom. Right? This is how it sits in there. Just like that. Whoops. Just like that right there. And then the screws go on the top. Those are the ones we undid earlier. And this is the TST brake light modular universal. And all you do is push this little button in here and it changes the sequences. So there's that. But so this is what I got here. I cut a good amount of black electrical tape from here. Just cut it off, scissors, just like regular tape. So this is what we got here. These are the TST ones that came with the universal brake light. Just use them, super easy, because I just wish I could buy them and I can't find them anywhere. Okay, so we have the gray. Don't touch the gray. It is the one that is the constant thing for this to be on, the constant light. Is the, here, let's see here, is the gray. This one right here. The one that has nothing currently connected to it. This one. Here. That one. Right there. So, there's that. Alrighty. So, we got the gray one right there. Don't touch that. That's just the brake light, running light. And then you have like the black with the white stripe. Let's see here. Can we see that? Here, let's see if we can get some better. Get the black with like the white stripe, and then you have the white with the black stripe, as you can see there. Alrighty, and this right here, this little white plastic piece, this right there, that is what I showed you earlier. That goes into that's like the brake light connector or whatever. So if you buy this right here, what I want you to do is I want you to cut all the other wires off, and all I want you to do is keep these, the ones that are the 4 that are coming straight out of here. Because I don't know, it's just as easier in my opinion to do this, because you just straight crimp them and that's it. Where the other came with like different harnesses and like came with this right here. Like I know what these are. They go inside of this little plastic pieces, but that's not for my bike. Not for Suzuki. Suzuki doesn't apparently like that. But so this is what we got here. So you got the brake light connector. Get the adjuster here. And then we got, like I said, the white is the brake light. So this is the one that's going to be flashing, is the white with black stripe. Okay, so you're going to crimp the blue to the first end, just like how I did. Blue, follow the blue. Blue goes like that, goes into this one right here, goes into there, and follow it, goes into here. All right, so then we have, right, so then it goes into the blue. So then you're thinking, okay, well now that goes into here. Now the red is what comes out of here, like if we're following the signal, red comes out of here, and goes back into the other half of the white. As you can see here, right? We got the white with black there, and we have the white with black here, right? So you're gonna cut this white with black, just cut it in half, strip it, connect the blue to this first half, connect the red to this back half right here. And honestly, that's about it. I mean, and then twist the 2 black together and then just connect it to the black with white stripe as it is, obviously, the ground or negative. And honestly, that's it. And then you just plug it in and adjust it however you want and all that, and I'll be sure to show you the final product, but it's pretty simple. It's really not that hard once I figured it out. I had to watch a bunch of freaking videos, and of course, Suzuki Gixxer 600. This is the TST Universal Brake Light Modular light install. It looks sexy to even have. I plugged it in and it flashes all. It's awesome. I'll show you a video in 3, 2, 1. That one right there, all these little plastic clips. Very simple. Yeah, you're gonna take out all that. These are all the side panels right here. And yeah, you can take out the plastic clips. Take out these 2 including because this is what releases, you can't see it, but that's what releases the brake light back there. So, and there's that. And quick overview for this as well. White is the running light. So as you can see, I got the white running into the red. The red goes into the black. This little black console right here. And then out of the black console again, as if we're tracing the signal, goes out through the blue wire, goes out from the blue wire to the white black and into the tail light. And then the 2 black cables that are attached to this little tube, if you were, these 2 little black cables, I just tied them or wrapped them together, wrapped the cables together, and I mean, I just added them onto the black with white. Don't touch the gray, leave the gray. The black and white is negative. The white you want to cut and do all that kind of good stuff. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, I assembled it all back together. All these side panels here. For this over here, I don't know if you could see for my brake light, I ended up just adding some not duct tape, but electrical tape. It ended up working out a little bit easier. You just wrap the wires, put electrical tape, and that does it. I mean, I could have done that over here for these, but I had a little bit better tools for that. But boom. And I mean, guys, that does it. There's not much else. Yeah, I mean, that does it. That's how you install the TST brake light. I mean, not brake light. So that is it, guys. That's how you install the TST universal license plate light, as you can see right there. And then I also installed the TST universal brake light modular. That's on the GSXR 2017 page. Yeah, blinkers right in there. And I'm not blinkers. I got the brake light modular goes in there, right there. License plate light over here, and that's it. And I'll show you in just a few seconds here what they look like.
Water. Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke them swishers, ho. If you hit my liquor store, it's 50 cents for single post. Said she wanna roll with me and smoke up all my weed. I said, baby, just buy that cheese, cause you can't smoke for free. I got some love but no money, babe, buy me a Fiji. She said you need a job, bitch, fuck a job, I still get cheese.
2 cell phones, Mr. Motherfucker Dot. Mr. I be on that block. 1207, fuck a op. They hear my name, they see my squad. Rolling dope up on the spot. I'm with your bitch, she on my job. Ain't got no time to love a dot. Got niggas mad, my flow so hot. Got niggas mad, my squad won't stop. We in the game, won't take no loss. I'm sipping water out the vault. Got lean all in my fucking Sprite. Turning up on fucking sight. Mr. Kenny Powers, bout to take your girlfriend home tonight, bitch.
And I'm smoking on that window when you see it out the window. Got a dusty OT, look about me, live a simple. Growing up, I was always in the middle, so I gotta hold it down for my older and my little. And my brothers besides me, so fuck it, we mob it deep. Always grinding, no finding me, but I be an OG. If you little fuck boy, lame ass, wanna creep. And I live by the limit, cause that fucker chose me.